Hey everyone, this is Benjamin here, and in this video I am going to be disclosing one cool tool I've been using for some time now, and this tool has really helped me a lot. And look, I also would like you to use this tool. That's why I want to recommend it to you. So if you really want to know what this tool is all about, buckle your belt and I'll be right back after the intro. So we'll be diving in soon, but I just want to say this, there are so many tools when it comes to Instagram, so many tools that can help you to add multiple links, to your bio and all of that. We have all of that there. But with this tool, it stands out to me because, this tool is classified as an all-in-one creator store. This means it helps you to monetize almost anything you have for your Instagram, so that every time people click on the link in your bio, any action they take, if it means they have to buy anything, book a call, any other thing they have to do would happen straight on Instagram. It doesn't really direct them to an external site or have to open a browser and all of that. Everything happens directly on Instagram. So I'm going to be taking you through the back end of this tool so that you can be able to start using this tool today. So let's dive to my screen. Okay, so the tool I want to talk to you about is called the Stan Store, and to be able to find it, you just have to search for stan.store or www.stan.store. And trust me, this tool is so interesting. Ever since I started using it, I've been loving it since day one. And the interesting thing is this tool is created by a creator, you understand? And you know that once you're a creator, you really understand the ups and downs of being a creator. So once you're doing anything for another creator, you actually understand certain things to meet when you are designing something for someone who is also trying to follow you. And that's what makes this tool so special, you understand? So look, these are some popular creators that have been using the tool, and I'm one of them, you understand? And what makes this tool so interesting is there are so many interesting features. For example, you are able to sell directly on this tool. You're able to have an automated calendar invite and bookings. People can actually book calls with you directly on this tool. You can also be able to build your email list, have detailed analytics. And when I mean detailed analytics. You can build funnels with this tool. You can also have access to their creator community, you understand? And what is interesting about this is everyone in the team, is literally available to help you optimize your store. And this means that even if you sign up, I'm also ready to help you optimize your store and help you to be able to set it up fully so that you can be able to monetize any other thing you want to introduce to your audience. Okay, so let me just take you to the back end of this tool and let me show you how the whole thing works. So the back end of this tool, this is how the whole thing looks like, you understand? And the dashboard literally gives you a summary of the whole analytics that's been happening. For example, you can see the site views, you can check within the past 7 days, 14 days, last month, this is just a summary of it with your revenue. You can sell directly on Stan Store, and once you make any sale, you're able to see everything on here. You can also be able to build the leads, people who sign up for maybe your lead magnet or just want to join your email list. So this is just a summary of the whole thing. And the next thing we have is the My Store, and this is where the whole action goes to take place. Okay, so when you come to My Store, these are the options you have, and this is what I've been able to build so far. So if you even go onto my Instagram right now and you click on the link in my bio, this is actually what you are going to see, and it works like any other link in bio tool, as I always call it, but this is actually different. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see I have add a product, and if I click on it, there are so many options. If I want to collect emails, I can just select this and continue with that. If I have anything I want to sell, I can actually sell directly from here. I can add a calendar for people to book calls, paid coaching, anything of that sort. If you also want to have a personalized video response, so people can maybe ask you questions, but in this case they get to pay something, some sort of a direct question they want you to answer. So you can also have that also over here, maybe video reviews, or the possibility that comes to this is just so endless. You can actually also sell your course directly from Stan Store. Okay, and we have recurring membership depending on what you want to do. If you have a program or something you want people to subscribe to, you can have that also over here. You can also promote other links, maybe your website or any other thing, and you can also become an affiliate. So the next thing over here is you can actually build funnels with this tool, and I have one funnel ongoing which is for the Canva poster template I have, you see. So I actually built not long ago, even though I've made more sales than this, but you can see the sales I've made so far, the leads so far. This is something I did not long ago, that's why this is actually showing, but the sales have been more than this. And if you want to build a new funnel, you can just click on create a new funnel, and it takes you through the entire process of it, you understand, which can replace ClickFunnels in a way, you understand. And with appointments, when people book a call, this is where you get to see everything from here. Like, this is mind-blowing, trust you me, this is really mind-blowing. With your income, you can see every sales you've made. Once it lands in here, you can be able to see everything, and you can also be able to filter. So maybe if I want amount, I can say greater than equal to 9.99. that's the price for my template. So you can see the sales I've made over here, you can see the total revenue over here, which is actually very cool. You can see, and you can also set up direct deposit. You can link it to your Stripe, PayPal. If you are in Africa, you can they are also able to do direct deposits into your bank account. So this is one interesting thing about it. And with referrals, once you refer people onto your Stan Store, you're able to see all of that also from here. You can see the links, you can follow up with people, helping them to also optimize their Stan Store, which is very cool. Your audience, once anyone signs up to your Stan Store, you see all the emails, their emails, their names, everything is just over here. You can export by clicking this to over here. You can also import as well. And my favorite is with the analytics. This is the part where you're going to enjoy detailed analytics from Stan Store. Okay, so this is just with the store visits. Okay, generally total revenue, we have that also over here. Your leads over here, page views, okay, or the product page views. So you have multiple products with Stan Store, you're able to see all of that from here, you understand. And with the colors, once you hover, you can see and know which ones are which is which. You can just know everything from here. And this is the breakdown of every single click that gets to happen, you understand. So for example, with the build your brand for free, which is Taylor Brands, you can see I can be able to see the clicks, you understand. And once I hover, I can see, okay, maybe on August 11th I had 4 clicks, you get it. So every single thing can be seen directly from here, and this makes it so cool, like so cool. Every clicks on your Stan Store is being tracked, and you can actually monitor it, and this helps you to re-optimize your page as time goes on. And you're also able to see the traffic, where your traffic is actually coming from. So Instagram, other ones, Stan Store, once I share a link, it also gets to track wherever the link is coming from. And this one is a link I posted somewhere, I can't really remember, that's why we are seeing Stan Store /African Geeks. And YouTube, anyone that is coming from YouTube is also tracked. We can see every single traffic, where it's coming from. We can see it from here. And with your conversion, you understand, like, this gives you an idea of how easy it is to turn people into clients, or how easy are people actually maybe dropping their emails and joining your email list and all of that. This gives you an idea of that. And you can see on July 31st, it was actually 100% in terms of the discovery call, which was very cool. And referrals, we can see everything. So this gives you an in-depth understanding of every single thing that's happening on your Stan Store, and I really love it. I got to spend more time over here actually. Okay, and the next thing is with the integration. So you can actually integrate Stan Store to other apps like Google Calendar, with Zoom, Zapier, MailChimp, and there are more that are actually going to be added, because when I joined Stan Store from the beginning, it was just these two, then Zapier came up and MailChimp. So it keeps adding up as time goes by. So this alone just caught my heart. Once I figured out that once I have this, it's going to be rather easy for me to be able to do so many things, which initially I would have needed so many tools to handle. But this time around, everything is being handled by one particular platform, which is Stan Store. And trust me, this is a tool I actually want to recommend to you, because it's something I used. They are not sponsoring me to make this video. I actually wanted to recommend this to you because I've used it, I've tested it, and it's been so good so far, and I want you to be able to use this too, and that's why I want you to have it. So there's a special link in the description box below that would help you to sign up, and once you sign up, I would actually love to help you optimize your Stan Store. Okay, so why not check out the link, tap it, sign up, and shoot me an email. Okay, you see the email in here. Just shoot me an email that you signed up with Stan Store, and I'll definitely book a call with you so that we can go through all the various things you can do with Stan Store, and I'll actually help you to optimize your Stan Store. The name is Benjamin. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, like this video to show some love, and don't forget there's no limit to creativity. I should see you in my next video.